Good morning. We have our first competition today. We have the Panthers versus the Hurricanes. Looks like the Panthers have won the toss. Well, they actually won a cheap ball. So it may be a first situation. Let's take the time right now to celebrate both sides, all participants, all coaches, all. Here we are, the first team. Panthers are on the ball. Ball sparked right at the 49-yard line. Ooh, he got a flag. Hikes the ball, quarterback's moving with the purpose. He goes forward. He makes a man miss. And he has enough for MVP first down. Send in motion. Ooh, wait a minute. False. Sends man motion. Hands the ball off. Brown got the jet. Come around the corner. Gets up the front. Ooh. Nice gain on the play. Sends in motion. Hands the ball. He puts it back inside. He's still moving with purpose. He comes back to the box. King is away. And it's no good. Out of bounds right at the 30-yard line. Hands the ball inside. Met by a host of defenders. That's stingy defense. Brings up second down. Hands the ball inside here. Ooh, how would the freeze play? Encroachment, defense. 5-yard penalty. Play third down. Third and about 7. Make it 6. Quarterback has the ball, hands it off inside, he's running on the purpose. Ooh, big power push. Has the ball. Ball's away. Has the man in front of bucket. He's moving. Cuts back in, and it's a big hit. Right at the 44. First and 10 for the Hurricanes. We got a brand on the play. Approach on the defense. 5-yard penalty. Ice the ball. Inside hand off, that would work. Gain him a couple. Big third down play of the game. Hands the ball on the side. He's moving. Walked into a wall and kept moving. And it looks like first down, Hurricane. Big first team. The Hurricane comes to the line. Nice ball. Hands off the side. Gets hit behind the guard. Okay. Drops back, balls away, and he is tackled. Cannon about 10. He throws from defense. 5 yards under. First down. Inside hand up, met with adversity. Gain of about 10. Drops back, brings the ball up. That's Ray put in the back. Big hit. Gain of about. Sends a man in motion. That's a great play there. First down, Hurricanes. Nice ball. Ooh, long ball to Brown. Recovered by the quarterback. Quarterback drops back. Here's the ball off to the big ball. He's moving with Hurts. He's going downhill. He's good. Touchdown. The Hurricanes. And the kick is good. Round of applause at the end of the first quarter, you guys. Great quarter of football. Kick and recovery. He's still on his feet. Ball is down right outside of the 42-yard line. Kelvin is in it. Big game to play. Quarterback, he goes up the middle. He's still moving. Oh, the ball's coming out of his hand. On the other way. Good. Whoa. Oh. Touchdown, saving tackle. First and goal for 15. First and 10 for the Hurricanes. 17. First and 10 for the Hurricanes. Nice ball. Follow on block. Getting him about 6. Direct snap to the quarterback. He's still moving. He's tapped. Wait a minute. Turn around the playground. You gotta switch the ball back. Panthers right up. Drops back. Oh, he slips right around the 1-yard line. Inside hand out. He sees the go out. He's moving on purpose. He's still going. Looks like he got the line again. First down, Panthers. Got out the back shadow of the end zone. Moving. Quarterback keeps it. He moves up the field. Redemption run. Brings up another Panther first down. Panthers break the huddle. Come to the line. Another first and 10.
Let's go!
Hikes the ball, moving with purpose, steps to defense. Met by a host of Hurricanes. Lost him about half inch. What about hikes the ball? Drops. Steps up. He's still moving. And still going. Can't do about it on the play. About 3 for the Panthers. They come to the line. Hands off the head. He's moving the first. Oh, breaks the tackle. He's still going. First down, Panthers. Drops back. Steps up. He has a man. He's caught. He's moving. One more play. In the end zone. Touchback. Hurricanes. Are you not entertained? Inside handoff. Inside handoff is moving again. Met by a wall of Panther defense.
Let's go, defense!
Inside handoff, defense. Met by some defenders. Gang him around.
Big play!
Here we go. Once again, 4th down. Ball's away. Back on the backfield. Brings the first down. No. Drops back. Right back to it. And pass is incomplete. Drops back. Quarterback steps up. Snap at the line. Brings up 3rd and long for the Panthers. Quarterback drops back. He is smothered by a host of Hurricanes. Brings up 4th down and long for the Panthers.
Go, Lucas!
Ball's back. He's away. Oh! Oh! Wait a minute! First and 10 for the Hurricanes at the 10-yard line. Under a minute left in the half. Hurricanes got the ball deep inside the 10. Hikes the ball, steps forward, comes around the corner. He's coming out. Campbell on the play. Looks like the clock still ticking. Nice ball, back to it. He's found something on that right side he likes. Brings up. Timeout. Panthers. Goes in, he has one break. Time. He's still going. So it's a clock. He's the ball. And he is going around. Ball moving. We have laundry on the track. Got a man down. Inside hand off one with both field. Tackle on the play. Ladies and gentlemen, that takes us to halftime. The score is on the scoreboard. Please hydrate. And we'll see you in a few. Gets the ball, moves the first. Tackle on the play, out the game, he's about 4. Derrick snaps down here once again. Comes out to foul. With the line of game, brings up. Quarterback's moving the purple once again. Another line of game. Oh, another lottery.
Watch the ball, defense! Watch the ball!
Brings up third and Ray Second. Nice game on the play. Moving with a perfect big hand on the play. Ball is inside. That's the ball. Turns the ball. Speeds in the hole. Tackled by a host of Panthers. Brings up. Tackle on the play. Brings up third down. Nice ball. Moves to the right. Brings up 4. As the ball is moving. And first and goal to go.
Let's go defense! Lead the ball!
Inside hand up, moving first. And we have a scrum. Nice ball. Boom. There was a fumble on the play recovered by the Hurricanes.
Go defense!
on the half-inch yard line. And touchdown, Hurricanes. And it's no good. Onside kick is returned. And there is a flag on the play. Personal foul, face mask against the defense. Ball's going to be placed right there. Inside handoff, he's moving first. Makes a man miss. Ball's right out. It goes from defense. 5 yards. First 10, drop back. Snap on the play, brings him to the down. Snap on the play, the backfield brings up. Right back out to the interior handoff. Looks like he got the line again. It's the team for Hurricanes. Tackle on the back there. Moves to the left, comes back to the right, finds a swipe crease. Bring it to the right, comes back, finds a crease. Another Hurricane. First down. Moves to the right. Tapped by host the Panthers. Brings up second down. Back action. Gain will come on play, brings up second down. Timeout, Hurricanes. All right, stay there. And he's split right in the line. Brings up 4. Comes back. Balls to Peter. Naples leading. Ooh, there's another turnover in this game. First down, Panthers. First and 10. Fourth quarter. What an opportunity to tie the game. This is what Saturday football looks like. And the offensive ball, one more reverse. Still moving. Still moving. Tackle on the play, brings up the game about. Quarterback brings up blue. Game will come. Comes to the line. Nice ball. Pass is low, complete. Oh, incomplete. Brings him 4th down. He 4th down. Coming up right here, guys. Drops back. Ball is away. He's wide open. The kick is good. What a turn of that is worth the price completion. Tell me. Ball kick, return, and he's back. Ball right outside. Rivers goes moving in play. Go up and start on snap. Here's the snap. He's moving to the right. He's still going. He's bound to daylight. He's still going. Another first down on the Hurricane. Quarterback that ball right to the right. Push him out. He comes out. He's still going. He's going out here. He's still moving. He's still on his feet. He's running inside the 10. It's first and goal. Nice ball. He's moving reverse. Met by some adversity. Brings up 2nd and goal for the Hurricane. by host the Panthers. Timeout on the play. North Pinellas. Drop back, move to the right. And 4th and goal. Time. 4th and goal. From the 4. Encroachment on the defense. Ball's hands off. And he is touchdown. Dolphins. The kick was good. Onside kick.
Let's go, son!
Onside kick is recovered. First and 10. Drop back. Ball is incomplete. Oh, he takes the ball, moves to the outside. He's gone. Moving on purpose. And touchdown! Yes! It's locked. And then brings the score. And the ball is recovered right at the 4. Hurricanes come to the line first and 10. And they're taking a knee. As the clock winds, the Hurricanes are in good formation. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is it. Hold y'all heads high. That was an exciting ball game.